Hello everyone, today we'll see how to create a free WordPress blog from scratch. So this is helpful for teachers and students to share their contents online to everyone. So it was a little bit complicated for many of the people to get started. So this tutorial will help for them to get started easily. So with the tool which you are using is called WordPress. It's a free open source tool which is very popular. It was developed in, you can see it's developed in 2003, but still very popular till today. So another popular alternative for this is Blogger. Blogger has limited functionality compared to WordPress. WordPress is having more beautiful functionality. So you can see like my website is built using WordPress, and here is another site which is built using WordPress. So here is another website called CS Bytes, which is also is being developed by WordPress tool itself. Okay. So to get started, type WordPress. So once you do that, you have to go to wordpress.com. So after that, you have to click on start your website link. So once you do that, you can create your account by entering email address, username and password. But or the easiest way option is you can click on continue with Google. So once you do that, enter your email ID and enter your password. So once you do that, so it will take you to this page. So this is where it gets tricky. So all you do is type something like Praveen blog or whichever name you prefer for your site. So once you do that, it will provide you a lot of options, like you have to purchase a domain and all. So you have to look somewhere here, like you can see my mouse cursor. So you have to, it has got some appended some number to your name, something like that. So what you have to do is click on this free option and click on select. So once you do that, it will ask for again like whether you want some plans where your website will be hosted with a lot of options for personal use and all. So you don't need that, like we are a beginner. So what you have to do is you can say start with a free site. So once you click on that, so it will set up the account for you. So once you do that, you can see like it will say like your site has been created. So remember, your site has been created but not yet published. Okay, so if it published, then only it will be publicly available. So I'll just show you how it works. So click on view site. So once you click on this, you can see like your site has not been launched yet, but you can only others can see only if it is launched. So to do that, all you have to do is click on this launch site. Okay, so again it becomes a little bit tricky. So again you have to enter your domain name, address and all. So don't worry about all those stuffs and all. Come all the way down, like click here, you can say skip purchase. Click on this option. So after that, again it will ask you like you have to pay some money for like setting up the admin. So again, not suggested for beginners. All you have to do is click here, continue with your free site. So once you do this, now your website is being created. So your site has been created. Now you can see like now if I click on view site, your website is publicly available for them. So for those people who has to access your website, this is your URL. So I'll go to incognito window to show you the same. So you can see like say if somebody searches for your types your URL of your WordPress, so they will get this nice beautiful page. So you have to set it up like it's a beginning, it's a very scratch one. So next thing is after that, like you can see like there is some fancy number over here, like the praveenblog.wordpress.com. So again you have to change that. So to do that, you have to go to my sites and then go to manage, then click on the domains. Now you can see here the address is Praveen Blog 07 and some fancy number which they cannot people cannot remember. Click on this arrow mark here, then click on change site address. Okay, so then what you have to do is if I type Praveen Blog, so it will like I already created that, but it like if you say like praveenblog.wordpress.com, so it will be easy for people to remember that. So what you have to do is, like, if it is not available, try some other name, like say Praveen Blog or any name which you prefer. Okay, so whichever is easy for you. Okay, so this has also been taken for by somebody. So what I can do is something like, we'll say like Praveen Blog 01. Okay, so this is available. So now if you things will get changed, will be your address, permanent address will be praveenblog01.wordpress.com. then click on change site address. So it will say like you have to confirm the change site address just to make sure that you are not doing any mistakes and all. So from this address in furthermore you will be address like you will be available on this WordPress address. So this is easy to remember compared to the previous one. So then now click on change site address. So once you do that, a moment to do that, so now your site new address is ready to go. So now it is praveenblog01.wordpress.com. So for those, like if you want a confirmation, what you can do is you can say like log out from your WordPress. Okay. So now again go to your private window and type Praveen blog 01.wordpress.com. So now there it is, the same website which you created is available for everybody. You can ask also your friends to type this URL praveenblog01.wordpress.com or whatever address you have created on their mobile phones and check whether it's working fine. So I'll just give you an idea how it looks on the mobile. So once you resize this is how it looks on your mobile. In the next tutorial we'll see how to set this site title and change the content of the websites, and further change this menus and all, and how to add images and all. Okay, thank you.